You pack your favorite outfits for a trip, but then you're forced to use that weak, crusty hotel hair dryer that smells like burning dust and leaves your hair looking like a frizz bomb. It's a total mood killer. If you're someone who refuses to compromise on your look just because you're away from home, the Dyson Supersonic and its travel-friendly accessories is the ultimate travel flex. The Dyson isn't just a blow dryer. It's a high-tech tool that protects your hair from extreme heat damage while cutting your drying time in half. This is especially huge when you're traveling and would rather be out exploring than spent an hour in the bathroom. It measures air temperature over 40 times a second to keep things consistent, meaning your hair stays shiny and smooth, even in humid vacation spots. What makes it a travel essential is its balanced, lightweight design. Because the motor is in the handle, it's not top-heavy, making it much easier to pack than those clunky traditional dryers. Plus, with a new neural technology and a range of magnetic attachments, like the flyaway smoother, you can get that professional blowout look in a hotel mirror without needing 5 different styling tools. It's sleek, it's powerful, and it's the peace of mind that you'll actually like your hair in your vacation photos. Click the link below for the best price, and never let a hotel dryer ruin your hair again.